Hello, my amazing people. And good afternoon. I greet you. I create your time. The time where you listen to my show fashion. My show fashion back again with another dark way again. She's guy. Hey, this is what I go shock you. Hey, God. We thank God for everything. God is great, but all those fake pastors, don't say things that God did not told you. You guys should stop scattering hole. Stop it. It's not fair. Don't read the Bible. What God wrote in the Bible. Don't say things I did not told you. You guys should stop it. Stop it. Don't say things that Jesus did not told you. You guys just scattering holes. So now my brother bring this topic come on. Someone talk about some more. This boy they cry. Get when you just small with all it. A pastor you break their heart. So go seek faith vision. Tell the guy say the boy don't born. Which the boy never born. You guys see? You just break the relationship. The guy say, why you not go? We say the pastor tell and say you want you to use and dump her. You don't even have single love for her. He said the guy can't tell the boy say the reason why he believe the pastor say this our brother not they post a picture for Facebook. If really this our brother never born, why don't they post a picture for Facebook? And now say this our sister made a mistake for there. Not be by they post your picture on Facebook when I go make the boy say love you. After the boy say no, the boy say no they post get a picture for Facebook because why? Now woman will be say don't marry go for Facebook because you don't like her, you don't like her. So now better thing. And you don't go for girl will be say you never marry that boy, they put picture for Facebook. What about the boy come dump it tomorrow? You still go carry that boy for Facebook again. I say I don't know where be say some girl don't they use their brain. They use sense in anything. Now but they put your picture on Facebook make the boy say love you. What about that one no? You they kill your career, they go my dear. If you don't know me, you know Now we be say never do money, never put money for you Never do my nothing they post her. What about tomorrow they say dump you? See on that boy for Facebook. Now they post boy for Facebook or may say the boy love you. If you just think that one now, not say maybe that one not by that one not be all boy like her. Then they post girl for Facebook. They not like her. The young one day of their marriage, they will bring her on the whole world. They go see her. Don't even they post picture for Facebook make the boy say love you. So I can't tell the boy say the boy not true. So not by the post get picture will make the whole world know say you love her or make the girl know say you really love her. No. And I say for me the girl don't even know say they help her. The boy can get any 20 girl. He get the right to put it on Facebook. It will not affect the boy. It will only affect the girl. Because why? The more girl they post boy picture for Facebook, the more people, you know now, those show me that people now, they can't follow you. Tomorrow, Peter. Next tomorrow, Jean. The other day, Monday. The other day, Friday. The other day, different name. They cause, just look at this game. When you key a career, all because say people no so you get guy. And I say, no, bro, you dey right for that one. Nobody post boy picture for Facebook. You go make you know that the boy really love you and you know. Now only God can tell. Not by that one. If you are the type of girl you are dating boy, say because the boy is not posting your picture, you mean that the boy is not love you. I love you. I love you. Please don't kill your career because of one boy and my baby back there, our sister. Please just stop that habit. It's very bad. It's not good. Okay, I don't want to take you guys too much of your time. Let's go to the topic, guys. Go like so. He said the pastor tell her say this boy don't born. So this boy don't even get love for this girl. This boy no get the boy they cry say mama. For see me I don't even born her for her people. Because of that one, this girl decide to break that relationship. Say make this boy do you say no what again. Go look your Instagram, my picture not there. Look your Facebook, my picture not there. You say you know they post a picture. It meaning you really get you don't really born. The pastor you give a fake vision. I say come and say how you say which pastor make can go meet the pastor? Say now mother for Nigeria call her tell her say see vision where pastor see concerning you. Say boy where they go out with you. Say the boy don't born. Say the boy don't even have love for you. You want to use you and dump you. She just stay away from the boy. And that girl, I can't say that girl. No, I can't use that word because why is human be like me. I don't want to use that word, but that girl need to use a brain. Please don't allow pastor to spray your hole. Please, I'm begging you. If you want to know what's going on for you, please focus your Bible. Read Bible, my people. Read Bible. Don't allow pastor to give you fake vision. A lot of people don't give fake vision. No. What is pushing you? What do you want that God has not done for you? You are here in Europe. People in Nigeria that are praying for God to let them come to Europe. It's under prayer point for people out there. But you are in Europe. You have a children. People like you that are crying, they need children. What do you need for God that God has not done for you? Which vision are you looking for that God has not done for you? You are in Europe 24 hours. They will not take light. You are in light. People in Nigeria in darkness, they are praying. But you are in Europe, you are crying for vision. What kind of vision are you need for? Don't allow someone to deceive your whole. Try to read Bible, guys. I'm begging you. Don't allow pastor. I'm not all pastor. Fake pastor. This other the one wrote me on my page. He wrote after saying such a thing. And so he see vision for he said this one. I tell him that please go back to that your vision. It's you that need it, not me. Because I know the God I'm serving. Please, I'm begging you. Focus on God. Don't allow someone to deceive you. Continue praying. Do you know the way that God can answer your prayer? Even though you have any issue with anybody, please don't pray bad prayer to that person. Don't wish that person evil. Leave the matter to that for you. Because Bible make us understand, say, I will contend with those that contend with us. I will fight against those that fight against us. Do you see? Even Bible make us understand that I will cause those that cause you. Why are you killing yourself? Why are you disturbing yourself? Please, you guys should stop it. Don't allow fake pastor to destroy your hope, please. I see that's okay. What about the pastor tell the same guy that your mom is the wish? You will believe the pastor. The girl just spoil relationship. The funny part of it, my guy, do you know what happened to this girl? Oh God. After this girl leave this our brother, he went to go and date another boy. And this boy that this guy is dating, now this boy have wife and children in Germany. This our brother say when he confirm, say, now this brother already friend, this your ex-girlfriend, though. Say, this brother will get wife and children for Germany. Say, yeah, you get 3 kids. I say, no. This brother not nice, brother, he did nice. Say, no, I can't say this. I have to tell this girl. Say, carry for call and say, that boy where the friend. I say, what me say on a pastor say vision, say get children. We be say never upon the law when he get for you, the way they take you. Say that boy they go at, that boy get wife and children for Germany. The boy say, come make sure the first name give the girl, say, call her, tell her, say, see the name of your son. Nah, what are you saying now? The girl is not crying, he's begging to her brother, please forgive him, that she want to come back to this our brother. Say she want come back, I beg me to her brother, forgive her. See now, fake vision where the pastor give the mama. This brother they ask her, say, may I step her back again, or may he leave her, may he find a way. And this brother say he love the girl, say he love the girl. Say, boy, you don't know whether may accept her back again, because why? He tell me I talk about and say, what about tomorrow? They can't see marry now. Mama go see on that vision come again. Whether he says no, will see play again. And so okay, me no worry. I say me I talk and come, I will bring her come and please. If you come across this video, please, not insult. Not insult. It's not a step in my platform. Please, just leave your comments, please. Your brother need your opinion. Your opinion, please. This girl is not begging now for she to come back to this our brother. Where did this notice brother say? You need to talk and come and say. Many people they be say pastor they give the fake prophets. Fake one, you don't believe. Why can't you be on your knee? Pray to God Almighty that creates you. The God that have finance say. You believe say if now man they give person children say you fit better. You know fit to. You know go fit. If the human being they give all these acts. The day we go offend, I go collect them from you because of that anger. He go collect it from you. That is why our God is faithful. He's worthy to be praised. He's not a man. Our God. No matter whatever he did, he will still have mercy on you. But you man, oh God. Now only God. Please, don't leave your opinion. Please, this is our brother need. If may he accept this girl back or may he move on with his life. See her. Go fall for wrong place. Now she's crying now. She need our brother back again. Is our brother step her back again or she leave her? Please leave your opinion. Please guys, if you come across this video, leave your opinion. Thank you guys for watching. Please, our sister that not yet married, please watch very well. No by boy posting your picture will make the whole world know that the boy really love you. No, 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 that is not it. He don't even give you 100% sure that the boy is going to marry you by posting your picture. No, no, no. You are just hurting yourself, babe. Please stop it. Stay away from it. It's not good. Stay away from Facebook. Leave the boy. Let the boy do his thing. Do your thing. Don't post boy that you don't hear getting married to you on Facebook. Oh, please. Because you will see already, as in the responsible man that is going to get married to you, you'll be counting it. You will say, ah, this girl, every time they share boy for Facebook. Oh, it's not helping you. Are killing your career. Please. If you're that type of girl, please stop it. Don't force boy to post your picture for Facebook that the boy is going to marry you. No, 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 no. It's not good. Stop it. If you are doing it, you are hurting yourself. You are hurting yourself, please. Stay away from fake miracle. Please stay away from fake vision. I'm telling you guys. Fake pastor, they are hungry in Nigeria. If they catch you, they will shop you, they will draw you because you are not reading the Bible. You don't know what God needs for you. Let me tell you. If you plan evil against person, God will return back to you. If you take person, they go anywhere, God will return back to you because God don't write out for Bible say, I will cause those that cause us. Why you disturbing yourself when you know your heart is clean? They will do, but they will not succeed you. Please stay away from fake pastor. Stay away from fake miracle. Please. God is real. Jesus is real. Oh God. If you taste miracle wey God do for you, you go to share that for the whole world. Say God is real. Don't allow someone to deceive you. God make you understand. Say it's about faith. Your faith, this faith. If you have that faith, if you have that confidence in God, you believe in God, with God things are possible. Surely we do it for you. No man or woman will put that send upon you. No, he will do it for you. It's your faith. But don't do evil against your neighbor. That is just all. If you want God to be answer your prayer, you want to see that miracle you are looking for, look at your heart properly. Look your heart. Stay away from evil. Do good for your people. Treat people good the way you want others to treat you. That is just what you need. And truly, trust me, God will answer your prayer. What God cannot do, nothing. God do all things. He do all things. Please, my brother, my sister, be careful. Watch very well. Don't fall into temptation. Don't allow fake pastor to take it away from your husband. Please, I'm begging you, watch very well. Pray. Listen to the voice of God. Read Bible. You know what God is saying. Don't allow someone to deceive you. Our God is free. He's able to do that thing that man cannot do. What are you looking for? Are you looking for documents? God can do it for you. Are you looking for the baby? God can give you. Are you looking for husband? God can. No matter what you need. He said when you measure that name, it's above. He will do it for you. Have patience. When you pray to God, you need something. See, our God, this is our God. They're too sweet. Eh? If you read Bible sometimes, if you see what God does, he say, if you ask with my name, I will give you. Have patience. Now, impatience, they affect majority of people. Yes, impatience, they worry us. I don't want to take myself out. Impatience. And they made it, they fall into place where they're not supposed to fall into. They run from us to us, from fake pastor to fake pastor. There is real pastor. Because if you don't real pastor, pray for them to have patience, they don't have patience. They only urgent. No, it doesn't work like this. You come as if when you go to Bible, you see a story. What happened? The way God rescued them, the way God stood them up, the way God answered them. You will be proud, you will have joy in your heart. Ah, Jesus, you are alive, you are real. God is not a man that will do something for you, be expecting something. No. All God needs from you is just give it thanks and honor. That is what God needs from you and I. Please, don't allow someone to deceive you. Please, be careful for fake pastors. Those are hungry for Nigeria. If they catch you, you will be spending. If you don't use your brain, if you fall into it, you are your own. And when the times come, oh God, you will say, oh God, I don't know this is fake. Please, my people, This one, brother need your opinion. So if it's good for him to go back to that girl or to leave her place, just leave your opinion. Thank you guys for watching Bestial Fashion. All my host subscribers, you guys are welcome. You guys are blessed. I swallow for you guys too much. Let me give you guys back show. All my new subscribers, you guys are welcome to Bestial Fashion. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for connect. You guys are so amazing. Without you guys, Bestial Fashion gonna get though. I love you guys. So just I love you most. Thank you, Lord. Say blessed. Bye. Let me leave that. Bye bye. See you guys for my next video. Bye bye.